Mako is the fastest shark in the ocean, and Lancair adopted the name to emphasize its new airplane's speed and range. The four-seat Mako uses some new tricks to get that speed, like a retractable nose wheel that goes up and down on its own with no input from the pilot whatsoever. Lancair is so confident in its automation that there's not even a landing gear handle in the cockpit. Mark and Conrad Huffstutler, a father-son team, bought Lancair and moved it to their hometown of Uvalde, Texas last year.
The Mako is built to compete with the Cirrus market. We can outperform a Cirrus in speed, range, useful load, just about every aspect. They're generally coming in about half price of what you'd find a brand new production Cirrus. With the new instrument panels, with the Garmin G3X touch systems, integrating a lot of new advancements into the aircraft to make it an airplane that can outperform most other certified aircraft on the market.
Now they're setting up a factory builder assist program designed to transform kits into flying airplanes in weeks or months, not years.
We have a builder's assistance center here at Lancair. You can walk your airplane through from delivery of the kit to issuance of the airworthiness certificate, all here on the campus. We understand that time is precious for people, and if they're going to commit to the build of an airplane, they need to be able to get in here, get it done efficiently, have fun while they're doing it, spend time in a nice place. So we're very attuned to that.
The engine we've tried to make as user-friendly as possible, yet still customizable to the individual pilot. This engine incorporates a dual electronic ignition and electronic fuel injection. With the electronic fuel injection, we can do things like a push start button to start the engine. There's no more priming, there's no hot starts, there's no vapor locking. All of that is a thing of the past. The other innovation we put onto the Mako was the retractable nose gear. So by retracting that nose gear, we actually get about 12 knot gain. It's been working really well. I've been flying this airplane. We've got about 100 hours on the airplane. Not once have I had to manually deploy or control the gear in any way. The Mako wing is a lot larger wing. It's a very docile wing. When it comes to stalling, it's very benign stall characteristics. The cruising speed, I generally see just under 190, about 188 knots, doing about 16 gallons an hour. You can bring it back to about 11 gallons an hour if you're up around 14,000 feet, and you get about 184 knots at that. But that's your best economy, and that's where you get about 1,400 miles of range.
Lancair says its Mako will outperform any factory-built piston single, and it'll do that with a fixed nose gear or one that retracts and extends all on its own. Dave Hirschman, AOPA Live.